Hi everybody, I'm Joe from China. Today I want to do a presentation. The topic is chemical engineering. So there's the outline. What I want to talk about it's separated to 5 sections. Why, jobs, challenges, conclusion. Okay, let's move on. Before we get into the main idea, and let's do a simple questions first. Okay, here's the question. What's the name of the first oil in USA? There are 4 multiple choice. I didn't want to say out the oil company directly, so I just give you a gift as a multiple choice.
C.
You can guess it.
C.
How about others?
Not C. A. B.
So, how many people choose A? B?
No.
3?
Michelle is Dutch.
D? Okay, I will give the answer at the end of my presentation.
I know that C is a law firm. That I know.
Okay, let's start. Okay, the first thing I'll talk about is what. What is chemical engineering? What does it produce? So what things we use in our normal life is come from chemical engineering. So there are 3 examples: oil, makeup, and catalyst. So maybe you didn't understand what's the meaning of catalyst. You see the first one at the left top. It's like chemical things what make the food keep fresh, and maybe it's hurt your healthy. So maybe it's not. Maybe it's unhealthy things we usually use in our life. And in chemical engineering, we use it to create some things in low situation, like we choose CO2. It's like with the catalyst we can just transfer it in low temperature. We didn't need a very high temperature. So this is what the catalyst is. So okay, let's move on to the next section. What is why? Why I choose chemical engineering as my major? First thing is the family influence. It's about I'm the only 1 children in my family, but I have a lot of cousins who most of them have already get the jobs in different companies. Their majors are like math. They do something like teachers, doctors, nurse, and engineering, but not the chemical engineering. So I want to do something special. I didn't want to follow them. So I chose chemical engineering as my major. Okay, the second one is a personal interest. Do you see the picture on the right bottom? It's the Houston Museum of Natural Science. So it's the dragon. It looks like alive. So it's very beautiful. No, not beautiful. Sorry. It's a very famous and useful museum for people to visit. From here you can learn something about science and the improvement of human history and something else. And especially there is a program called the I didn't know the actual name, but the thing is talk about the how the oil company do their work under 1,500 meters up the underground. So how did the oil come up and how they do their work? Okay, and they show these things in a screen and like a movie, just let you see how it works. Okay, it's clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so the last reason why I choose chemical engineering is the society stress. You see this is the self-improvement rate in US from 2008 to 2009, and you see the rate is started to being low. So from this image we can know that the employee the students who graduated from the college now has more and more more and more stress to find a job. So it's difficult and also a challenge. Also, it's a reason why. Okay. Next section is about the job. What can chemical engineering do after they graduate from the college? First thing is to join the oil company. For example, the Shell and the BP. And the second thing I want to talk about is the second jobs we can have is car factories. The last thing is science lab. The science lab is do some research about the like how to make people beautiful in the makeup, and to do some research on the oil, how to save the oil, improve the rate of oil use. This is and another things. There are many things that chemical engineering can do actually. So, okay, let's move on. The next things I want to talk about is challenge. The first thing is about language. There's a joking. I don't know if you know that or not. It's say that if you learn a second or third language, what kind of verbs do you learn first?
What kind of
Bad words.
Verbs, vocabularies.
Bad words is the
Good.
first one you learn.
I
Yeah. What you have you learn first is the bad words. Okay. So the second challenge is the GPA. Because we said before the rate of self-improvement is down low. So if you want to get the job, you need to have a higher education. So you want to join the master. You want to finish the master degree or PhD. So you need a higher GPA. The third one I want to talk about is the offer. From 2011 to from 2010 to 2011, the chemical engineering was the student who graduated from the chemical engineering has been reduced. There are 2% reduced. So 2% more students didn't get an offer when they graduate. So this situation is increasing. So it could be a very large or big change. Okay. This is the table. This is why I say that the language is the first change when we enter the chemical engineering. We need to remember all the things here. And I don't know in American we need it or not, but in China we have to memorize actually 19% of them. Just by when you see the internet like this, you need to know what's the name and what's the stage of the periodic table of elements. So conclusion, and what I said today is about all the things about chemical engineering and why and what is chemical engineering and what's the challenge in finding jobs and something. Okay. That's it. What's the question? Any question?
Yeah, I have one.
Where
Where do you want to work? You know, all of those fields that you present before.
Sorry,
Which is your, what's your ideal job in the future?
PP. I want to join the PP because they have other. I have visited BP labor in Houston. It's near the Chinatown, so I just tried. I just go get there once, and they have a large. How large is it? It's about the whole LCC building.
Wow.
The computers, it's just a one computer. They do that as they do their progressing, all the things at their computer. It's very fast. Yeah, it's very cool.
And the answer?
The answer.
Okay, the answer is A.
A?
Yeah.
Wow.
Just a teacher gets yeah. This is a oil company in the USA, but also it's program.
Yeah.